Hello everyone, today is Saturday, July 30. Ayan po, hindi po muna kami mag-walk ng mga dogs kasi medyo maulan and masama ang panahon, no? So, work mode muna kami. Lalabas kami ngayon to deliver some items, no, sa aming maliit pong company para po may pangbili tayo ng mga dog food at mga needs ng mga ating mga pets. Today, we will be delivering, ito pa, yuyuko na konti para makita po ninyo. As you can see, meron pong dalawang container dyan. Each 20 liters, no? And then, may mga nasa eco bag. Hello, Aki! Ayan, may photo bomber po tayo ngayon. So, may dalawang box ng mga fogging machines. If some of you may know kung para saan po yan. Yan po ay para sa pag-fumigate o pag-fog o pagpapausok sa mga companies, mga bahay, mga establishments, mga hospitals. And this, sa mga containers and gallons are chemicals po. Na pang disinfect. Brand po niyan is Spectra B2Z anti-mosquito and antibac fogging solution. Ayan, pwede rin pong gamitin yan sa mga ordinary sprayers, power sprayers, mist guns, humidifiers, ULV ultrasonic humidifiers, ULV cold foggers. So marami pong pwedeng tools na gamitin pang dispense ng ng solution na to, no? So ginagamit po yan lalo po ngayon nauuso yung dengue. Katatapos lang, in fact may COVID is still there. Para sa mga hindi pa vaccinated, need po natin talaga mag-iingat, no, palagi. So, ayan. This products will be delivered to one of our regular clients who's been our client since the start of the pandemic. No, pang disinfect and pampatay na rin ng mga mosquitoes and other insects like cockroaches, termites, mga dust mites and etc. No? Sa kanilang planta, no? So ayan po, we have other customers, mga regular customers who have been with us since the start of the pandemic, and now meron na naman pong paglaganap ng dengue. So ito rin po yung ginagamit namin pang disinfect ng aming maliit na kennel farm, no? Mga cages po dun sa backyard and inside the house. Yan po mga ginagamit namin pang disinfect. So, it's all natural. It's safe for humans and animals. And it's toxic free, no? So, safe na safe po to pati sa ating mga pets. Kaya yan po ang aming ginagamit. So, if you want to try the products, it's available in Shopee also and Lazada. No, see the description below our YouTube channel. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell for more updates from Hugskies and Friends, the Husky TV. So see you guys later. Keep safe, everyone. Bye-bye.